Okay, so today's lecture is on potassium group, that is Kali group. Okay, basically we are having lot many remedies from Kali group, and to understand this group, we really need to understand the basic qualities of potassium. Okay, so we will start with a brief introduction about it. So potassium has a great affinity for water. It is one of the most important element in a cell economy. So basically, your cell economy, in your cell economy, this is important element. Okay, it belongs primarily to the polarly interior of the cells. Okay, so it is belong primarily to the polarly interior of the cells. Potassium is radioactive. It emits beta radiation, which furnishes energy, which maintains the automatism of the heart and smooth muscles. Okay, so basically, for your heart and its smooth muscle, this potassium is really important element. Okay, uh, potassium is antagonist to the calcium. So you know physiology. Okay, so potassium, calcium channel, this channel, beta blockers, what they act, you will understand by its physiology. Okay, so this physiology, so this potassium really become important part in your body. Okay, boiling point of potassium is very high. Its atomic number is 19. It's very soft metal. It can be cut with the knife. Okay. Now, important remedies in our syllabus, and rather we can say important remedy in homeopathy. Uh, that is Kali arsenicum. That is we normally or usually call it as a Kali ars. Okay. Then Kali bichromicum, Kali bromantum, Kali carb. That is Kali carbonicum. This is main important remedy in your syllabus, and which is why that is so important. This is basic remedy for your backache, weakness, and also for perspiration. Okay, then kali chloride, claricloratum, then calisanatum, kali muraticum. Muraticum is also become an important. Kali mur is also become an important factor for that remedy. Okay, then kali nitricum or nitram. This is again important remedy. Kali permagnesium, then kali phosphoricum, kali silicatum, kali sulfuricum, kali aceticum, kali citricum, kali ferrosanatum, kali hypophosphoricum, kali oxalicum, kali picricum. All these are the remedy. All these 24 remedy in which we really need to concentrate on kali arsenicum, kali vibromicum, kali bromantum, kali carbonicum. Then kali muraticum, kali sulfuricum, kali silicatum, then this kali tartaric. Okay, so these are the important remedy in this in our syllabus, in which we really need to concentrate. All the remedy in homeopathy are really very important, but as I told you, these few remedies, this become important remedy in your prescriptions. Okay, and then common traits and group characteristics. What actually this Kali group action? What are the common traits of and group characteristics of this group, of this Kali group? Now, whenever we understand about the group, we understand in very first lecture what is group study. Okay, why we need a group study? Because the remedies are coming under from same group. It gives you some similar characteristic symptoms. Okay, and so because of its doctrine of signature, you can say. So this become really very important to understand how this group has been evolved and how they throw characteristics. Okay, so sphere of action of Kali group, most of the remedies from potassium group mainly act on tissue, muscles, especially heart muscles, nerves, especially vagus nerve, gastrointestinal tract, skin, hair, mucous membrane, glands, bones, and respiratory system. Okay, so this is your sphere of action of our Kali group. Most of remedy from potassium group acts mainly on tissue, muscles, especially heart muscles, nerves, especially vagus nerve, gastrointestinal tract, skin, hair, mucous membrane, glands, bones, and respiratory system. Okay, now constitution. If you look towards the constitution of a Kali group, potassium constitutions are heavily built. They are really robust personality. They are really very Robust means what? They are really very nice build. Okay, as you have seen what you say. Uh, Commonly, you say this look are they are that is really robust look. They're really heavy. Okay, and they are stout and robust. Thermally, they are chilly and sensitive to cold. They are really very chilly and they become sensitive to cold. They cannot tolerate cold environment, cold air, and cold in any form. All Kali remedies are prone to tendency to gain weight and have premature old look. If you look towards that patient, you will feel that premature old look, and they are tendency, they are prone to tendency to gain weight. Okay, so they are really very fatty and they are really very chubby, and on top of that they are really very robust and heavily built people who are sensitive to cold and thermally chilly. Okay, they show slow onset and slow decline as their main feature. Okay, slow onset, really very slow onset. Slowly symptoms are developing and slowly they are going to decline. Yeah, there is as their main feature that they show a slow onset and slow decline. They have that capacity that onset is really become very slow. Almost all potassium show rheumatic and gouty diathesis. So almost all potassium shows rheumatic and gouty diathesis. There are black ring around their eyes. There are black ring around their eyes. Okay, because sometimes we don't sleep very properly, and at that time you will get that black ring around your eyes. Okay, such blackish ring around eyes you will get in this remedy. And talking about rheumatic and gouty diathesis, they really have that gouty diathesis. Okay, there many people of gout or rheumatism, you can use this remedy and which gives you great results. Now we will move towards mental journals. The most important feature of potassium ion that they are very conscientious. Now, what do you mean by conscientious? They are really very sincere in nature. Okay, really very sincere in nature, and that is going to be a continuous for a long period of time. Okay, sincerity. Their moral values are really very strong, with a strong principles and their own rules and norms to which they stick. Okay, these people really get stick to some rules, certain rules and norms. There's specific principles which are really important for their life. Okay, and they really stick to that. Okay, for example, if we told you that you really need to give your tutorial, and if someone is really very sick, he or she is not able to attend class, but as we ask that you should attend the tutorials, and his or her moral values tell her that yeah, it's okay, you're ill, you're sick, but still you should give the exams because teacher has told us, and nothing should be refused by teacher has told you. Such strong moral values to ask that student to give that exam in any condition. Okay, so such strong principles, such their own rules or norms will gives you the idea about Kali. So they are really very strong, they are really very conscientious. Okay, their action are governed by done or in accordance with their conscience. Okay, so when you talk about conscientious or with concerns, they are really they everything is go according to their concerns, means according to their norms or their values or their principles. Okay, and they will really never deny their principles and values and moral values. Especially they are very careful, uh, and through their actions and believe in painstaking effort. Okay, they are really very hardworking people, and they really do a lot of hard work, and there is a lot of uh, they are really very careful, they are really very careful, and uh, their actions, and they really do something. It can be painful for them, it can be hard work for them, but they will do it just for the sake of their principles. They have their own prescribed moral standards, and they are really having their own prescribed moral standards. Okay, so look towards such people and you will understand that he's something else. Okay, uh, everyone cannot follow their principles and morals and culture, and these people really follow it. Uh, they are the people who value their own word and follow principles and duty, hence are very reliable, correct, stable, and self-assured. Such people on whom you really can believe very blindly. Okay, these people are really very reliable. You can rely on them. They are really very correct. They are really very stable and self-assured. Okay, it's okay. Nothing will happen, and they are really value their own words. Okay, and so that these things really give them a strong personality. They have great sense of duty and serious and responsible. They have really great sense of their duty. They will never ever try to avoid their duties, their responsibility, and they are really serious about their duties and responsibilities. They stand firmly and show fixity to the purpose. They really want to stand firmly, and they show a complete fixity of the purpose. They are bound to do things morally or legally according to their profession and position. They are really bound to do their things morally and legally, morally or legally. Kali people will never go in any type of wrong things or any type of illegal things. Okay, according to their profession or their positions, they will really try to go in this. Uh, they will really try to do their things very well. Okay, they are quite answerable legally, morally for their discharge of the dusty trust or defect. Okay, this this these people are quite answerable, means these people will do their work very properly, very clearly, and they will never ever do any mistake in their work, because they are really very hardworking. These people really become very hardworking, and they are having a strong sense of a duty. Okay, and if anyone asks any question about it, they are quite answerable. They can answer everything about their work, about their views, about everything. Okay, so so it really become important for them, so that you can really rely on them. They are really very trustworthy. They are really very bound to the bed. They are really very bound to their duties. They are really very responsible people, and anyone can rely on them. Okay, if this extend too far, or it will go to the negative side, being very rigid. If this extend too far, okay, sometime what happen, these things extend too far, other more than a limit. At that time it can go in a negative side. They can become very rigid, dogmatic, moralistic, conservative, and stop and stores. Okay, so such peoples are not reliable. When it goes too far, when it goes in a negative side, it really become headache for the other peoples. Okay, and such peoples cannot be reliable. Okay, so when Kali group is in the personality, if it is a constitution, then it is completely fine. But when patient really need a um, medicine for his mental complaints, he might be a so negative. Okay, and they may become stiff and resist. Any changes of form or apparently may be unaffected by pleasure or pain. Okay, they are so stiff that any changes or form or apparently may be unaffected by pleasure or pain. They will not get affected by pleasure or pain. They will not feel pain, and they will also not feel that pleasure. Okay, so they really become such stiff that they are not flexible at all, and this is really not correct. Okay, they also may show marked authoritative nature, often arrogant assertion of opinions or beliefs. Okay, they also may show marked authoritative natures. Authority. Okay, when you talk about the authority, they are having such type of nature, that marked authoritative nature, really very authoritative. They will really don't they will really these people will really try to be authoritative. So they will be shouting on people who are really junior to them, or most of time they are really very arrogant, and they ascertains of opinions or beliefs. They maybe practice morality and become teacher of morals. Okay, many a time they practice morality and they become teachers of morals. They may be inclined to preserve their existing order or structure of these things by opposing any changes. They may be inclined to preserve the existing order or structure of things by opposing any change. They will never like changes as such. Huh? They try to preserve their culture, their things, their existing order of structure, or means they try to keep the things in a correct way, in a very proper planned way, but they will never try to change it. Okay. And the potassium have to control emotions and they prefer a routine new and preferred routine to new and unexpected things, and do not acknowledge the playful and artistic trait. They don't have any playful and artistic trait. But if you talk about the emotions, they control their emotions very well. Okay, they try to be in a routine and they never want to change like new and unexpected things. They makes all of them more pragmatic and down to earth than the egoistic. These all the traits gives them more pragmatic. Okay, they really become down to earth and they are not that much egoistic. But when the things go in a negative way, when the things try to convert in a negative way, at that time things really become a headache for the other people. It really become arrogance. The arrogance come up in the picture, then authoritative nature come up in the picture, then everything come up in the picture in a negative way. But if you look towards this patient in a positive way, these people are really very these people become really very, you can say, or down to earth people, reliable people, very responsible people. And there is no at all egoism. So there is no egoisticness, there is no ego at all in them. They regularly follow habitual and detailed method of a procedure. They regularly follow habitual and detailed method of a procedure. Means, for example, uh, this patient know how to do the things, but they will always try to follow their procedures. Okay, and they always try to there is always a habit of the doing thing and they always follow the detailed procedures. Okay, they are very practical, pretending to the study of events with emphasis on cause and effect. Okay, they are very practical, pretending to the study of events with the emphasis on cause and effects. They really know about the cause and effect relationship and they will try to emphasize it on very properly. All the Kalis learn to control and hold on the things which make them closed and reserved. So these people are really very closed, reserved, or introvert. Okay, for that sake, we can say introvert. They really try to learn to control and hold on the things which make them closed and reserved. They can also be quite jumpy. Okay, unexpected things are not under their control. They want to check, restrain, to verify, regulate, to exercise authority over the things. Reserve of manner or distance, undemonstrative are features of these people. Okay, reserve manner, these people are really very reserved manner, reserve nature, introvert nature. Okay, distance. Okay, distant and undemonstrative, these people really don't want to follow their emotions. They have a lot of control on their emotions. They are really become very practical and they try to verify and to regulate their things, and they always want to be authority, but this authority are really on down to earth. Okay, their control does not allow surroundings to emotions, which leads to great sensitivity towards being tickled. Okay, these people, you cannot tickle these people. There is lot of sensitivity in these people. Okay, their control does not allow surround surrendering to emotions. They cannot surrender to the emotions. Okay, emotions they really handle very well. Okay, they are highly emotional, but they handle their emotional in such a way that there is great sensitivity. If anyone try to tickle them or anyone try to talk on their emotions, it becomes really sensitive matter for them. So there is a great sensitivity towards being tickled. This control is also physically expressed as a constipation or difficult labor. So this is remedy for you. These are the remedy. Kali group is become remedy for constipation or difficult labor. Why? Because the control on everything. Okay, they have that control on everything. Everything control, that emotion should be controlled. That should not be get out of our mind or of our from our behavior. Okay, so trying to control on everything, which leads to a control on peristaltic movement or in a labor or in labor, so that it become difficult labor or constipation. Most of the Kalis do not share their inner feelings. So that I told you that they are really very introvert, they really don't want to share their emotions. Okay, most of the Kalis do not share their inner feeling. They can be called optimistic. They achieve what they want through the perseverance of hard work. Means they really continuously doing their hard work. They are really very conscientious. They are really very, you can say, they are really very conscientious. They are really very responsible. They are really duty approaching people, really very optimistic. Okay, and they try to achieve their goals by continuous hard work. They have disposition to look on the bright side of the thing. They will not they are not fault finding people, huh? They are really not fault finding people like your Sonita. They try to always look bright side of the thing. They believe that everything is ordered from the best and result will be always good. Okay, they believe that everything is ordered for the best. Everything whatever is going to happen, it will be best, and they really work really very hard on it. They persistent in any purpose or enterprise and strive in spite of difficulties. They always try to be persistent. They always persist in any purpose. It can be anything. They will be really very persist. And they are enterprise and they strive in spite of difficulties. In spite of lot of difficulties, they will always persist. They will be on that point at any time. Okay, more than duty task is very important. More than duty task is very important feature of a college. Okay, so they are really duty bound people. Okay, they really don't want to uh, miss their duties in any case. Okay, in any chance. They are very task conscious and hence steady, hard workers, able people, and the builders of a society. It has been said that Kalis are a builders of a society because they give those principles, those values, those moral, you can say, moral values to the society. So they are said to be a builders of a society. They are very practical and pragmatic. They are over involved in any work voluntary undertaker where they put specific amount of a labor or study which is necessary. They are over involved in anything. And they involve over involved voluntarily. Okay, and in which if they put specific amount of if they put specific amount of you can say a specific amount of labor, specific amount of time, it will be okay, but they try to get involved in those things so that they could do better in their way. Okay, all potassium are very much family oriented. Every potassium is very much family oriented. Family orientation is highly marked characteristic of Kalis. Okay, family is very important to them, and they work hard and support them. Family become really very important part for their life. They uh, cannot leave their family for any task. Okay, it can be if anyone offers them a lot of money or lot of anything or luxurious life uh, on cost of their family, they will never ever get it. Okay, family is first priority for this guys. Panic attacks of anxiety and fear and their main features which make them more suspicious. Okay, so they become suspicious when panic attacks of anxiety and fear are the main feature which make them more suspicious. Night terrors and violent frightful dreams are the feature of most potassium remedies. Okay, many a time night terrors. Okay, uh, night terrors. Nightly, this patient really get fearful dreams. Okay, at the night they are having violent and fearful dreams, night terrors, and they get awake due to these fearful dreams. And this is the most important feature of most potassium remedy. Potassium child is very careful, they are always watchful and will not take any type of risk. These children, you can say, they are really very coward, but they are forward, but they are really very careful. They will not take any risk very easily. Okay, they are always watchful. If the things are going to harm them, they will never ever touch it. Okay, so such child are really very careful, very watchful, and they will not take any type of risk. It shows the anxiety, especially anticipatory anxiety. There is anticipatory anxiety in this patient. Okay, this child is always required of protection. This child always required protections. These people always require protection. And if you try to leave that child alone, these children will never ever be alone. These children never wanted to be alone. They always need a protection. It shows sympathetic and soft-hearted approach towards other. Okay, there is sympathetic and soft-hearted approach towards the other people. They show fellow feeling for the others, and they are affected by the state of the another with feeling correspondent in kind. As the boiling point of potassium is very high, this patient get angry very late. Okay, boiling point of potassium is really become very high, and it's as it is really very high, so these people really become angry very late. Okay, they will try to hold, they will try to hold, they will try to hold, and when they will get angry, it will be burst. Okay, and they show more patience before bursting with their anger, except only in syphilitic manifestation where they quickly get angry. Okay, but before bursting they have really shown more amount of patience. Okay, and they are trying to show the patience, but someone is not understanding about their patience. They will show such type of anger. Their anger will just burst and everything will be really very difficult. All potassium shows self-centeredness as a main characteristic. They are really very self-centered. Okay, they always expect something from others. They always expect something from others. They are persistent. They are parasites, very demanding and selfish. uh, Very demanding people are there. They are really very demanding and really very selfish, and just like a parasite. Selfishness, irritability, mental restlessness are main characteristic of potassium remedies. And these people lie for their own benefits or always think that others should not get benefit. Okay, these people, now we have, till this point we have seen some positive point of a Kali. Now we are going to understand about some different that you can say, um, you can say some different negative point of these people. Okay, these people lie for their own benefits. They really lie for their own benefits or always think that others should not get benefit, uh, because they are really very selfish, huh? They want benefited by their own, and they really don't want someone else should get benefit. They want what they should get, every benefit. This thinking reflected in their dreams, which are horrified and fearful. Most of this potassium remedy shows weak memory and lack of concentration. Many a potassium remedy you will get, there is lack of concentration and lack of, you can say, mm, weak memory. Okay, on other hand, potassium shows a strong sense of morality, a tendency to look at each issue in terms of right and wrong, and then do only do that which is right. Okay, they will always dislike any kind of slightest change, new ways and new ideas. Many a time, this as we have seen in this last line, On the other hand, one hand you will see that slow, weak memory, lack of concentration, horrified, fearful dreams, and lying up for their own benefits, or selfishness. And this is one side of your potassium, and another side they have a strong sense of moral values, and they have tendency to look at each and everything, is it right or is it wrong, in terms of both right and wrong, and they will do only that which is right. Okay. They always dislike any kind of slightest change, new ways and new ideas. They show very conservative outlook, and they do not like to hold views different than other, which would make them stand out in the crowd. Okay. They show very conservative outlook. Okay. They really show very conservative outlook, and they do hold the views in different than other, which would make them stand out in a crowd. So they will not follow the crowd, they will follow their own mind, and they will judge everything according to their own mind, what is right, what is wrong, and then they will decide the things. Okay. They dislike companies but are very much attached to the family. They really don't like company, but they are really very attached to their families. Okay. Potassium people are mentally and physically rigid. These people are really very rigid. They hold bodies tightly, follow rules obediently, and make good neighbors and responsible persons to family and society. So this is most important part of your tally. They hold bodies tightly, follow rules obediently, and make good neighbors and responsible person for family and society. They tend to suppress their emotion and exhibit physical reaction, and disordered, and feel embarrassed or ashamed of their illness. Okay. They try to suppress their emotion and exhibit physical reactions and disorders and feel embarrassed or ashamed of their illness. They always want to establish relationship. Okay. Most of the potassium are responsible in their job, and they are very very clairvoyant. Means whatever is going to happen, they will think about it. Okay. Psychotic and intuitive and sincere, and they are really need support from the society. They really need a support, but they are really very strong. Okay. They have that moral value, they have that sense to judge right or wrong. I think we should stop over here. I will stop it over here. We will continue our like next this Kali group in next Zoom meeting. Okay.
मॅम
हा.
कालचा आणि आजचा ड्रग जर्नल मध्ये लिहायचा आहे.
नाही नाही नाही, मी
बरं.
सांगते तुम्हाला. हो सांगते.
हा हा.
ओके.